Welcome to Choice Champions. The best folding drying rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked kitchen gadgets, especially for those living in smaller spaces or seeking a more organized countertop. Imagine effortlessly drying your dishes, glassware, and utensils without sacrificing precious counter real estate, and then simply folding it away when not in use. This versatile accessory can transform your dishwashing routine from a cluttered chore into a streamlined, efficient process, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen aiming for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Surpahs 17.5 Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. Tired of cluttered countertops? This over-sink drying rack is perfectly sized for your kitchen sink, creating valuable drying space without sacrificing counter area. Don't worry about heavy loads. Its robust design provides strong support, confidently holding even your heaviest cookware like pans and cast iron pots. Experience enhanced stability and long-term durability. Its reinforced internal structure ensures reliable support, all wrapped in a flexible silicone exterior. The thick, non-slip silicone surface is safe for your delicate glassware and prevents scratches on your sink or counters. It grips securely, keeping everything in place. Handle hot cookware with confidence, as it's heat-resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's time to clean, simply roll it up for easy storage or pop it in the dishwasher. This versatile rack fits across sink openings up to 16.5 inches, offering a practical and efficient way to manage your dishes and keep your kitchen organized. What we like? This rack is designed to fit perfectly across your sink, maximizing your workspace. Its heavy-duty silicone construction ensures durability and a non-slip grip for all your dishes. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that keeps your counters clear, this is the one for you. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It folds up flat for easy storage. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 4. Bambüsi 2-Tier Collapsible Bamboo Dish Drying Rack. Introducing the Bambüsi Collapsible Dish Drying Rack, designed for convenience and space saving. It's ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. When not in use, it folds flat to a mere 1.5 inches, perfect for sliding into tight spaces in apartments, RVs, or small kitchens. Maximize your counter space with this clever design. This rack features a 14-slot top tier for plates and a lower tier for cups, bowls, and utensils. It offers ample space to dry a full load of dishes efficiently. Built with a sturdy X-frame and reinforced joints, it remains stable even when fully loaded with wet dishes. You can trust it to hold its shape without wobbling or sliding. The open slat design promotes air circulation, allowing dishes to dry quickly and without streaks. It also air dries rapidly, preventing mold and odors. Crafted from 100% organic bamboo, it's a water-resistant and stain-resistant alternative to plastic. Simply wipe it clean for easy maintenance and enjoy its natural beauty. What we like? With its 2-tier design, this rack offers ample space for plates, cups, and utensils. It conveniently folds flat for easy storage, making it ideal for small kitchens or RVs. If you appreciate natural materials and need a compact drying solution, this bamboo rack is a stylish and practical choice. What people say. The drying rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It folds up flat for easy storage. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. Tired of cluttered countertops? This over-the-sink drying rack keeps your kitchen tidy and organized. It's available in multiple sizes to perfectly fit your sink. Crafted with premium, silicone-wrapped steel rods, this rack is rust-resistant and incredibly durable. It's strong enough to hold heavy pots and pans without bending. This versatile accessory is perfect for draining dishes, rinsing produce, or even as a trivet for hot pans. Its multi-purpose design makes it an essential kitchen tool. When not in use, simply roll it up for easy storage in any cabinet or drawer. It helps you reclaim valuable counter space, making your kitchen feel more open. The food-grade silicone is heat-resistant, protecting your countertops from hot dishes. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning after use. As a family-owned USA business, we stand by our products. This kitchen organizer comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This extra-large rack provides extensive drying space and can be used for much more than just dishes. Its heat-resistant silicone coating makes it a versatile trivet or cooling rack. If you need a robust, multifunctional drying solution that can handle hot items and large loads, this is an excellent option. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It folds up easily for storage and doesn't take up much space. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 2. Utoplike Teak Collapsible 2-Tier Dish Drainer Rack. Discover a smart, foldable dish rack designed for efficiency. Its 2-tier system maximizes drying space, accommodating plates on top and smaller items below. Measuring 17D x 9.2 W x 8.9 H, this rack is perfectly sized for plates and smaller cups. Its thoughtful design ensures it fits neatly on your countertop. Boasting 15 slots, it holds dinner plates upright for optimal drainage. The convenient foldable feature means it won't take up valuable counter space when not in use. Crafted from high-density teak wood, this drying rack is naturally resistant to water and cracking. It's also incredibly easy to clean and maintain for long-lasting use. Enjoy hassle-free setup. Simply remove it from the box and it's ready to use. Its collapsible nature makes storage a breeze when your dishes are clean and put away. What we like. Crafted from beautiful, water-resistant teak wood, this rack adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its compact, foldable design is perfect for countertop use without taking up too much space. If you prefer natural aesthetics and need a dedicated drying spot for plates and cups on your counter, this teak rack is a great fit. What people say. The drying rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It folds flat for easy storage and doesn't take up much space. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. Number 1. Expandable Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. Tired of limited drying space? This innovative rack expands up to 22.3 inches, easily fitting most home and RV sinks. Adjust its length to perfectly suit your needs. More than just a dish dryer, this rack is a true kitchen multitasker. It quickly dries dishes, drains produce, and even doubles as a defrosting board or a hot trivet. Reclaim your counter space. Place it over your sink to maximize usability, and when you're done, simply roll it up and store it away. It's perfect for kitchens of any size. Crafted from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this rack offers exceptional durability and weight-bearing capacity. The ends are finished with BPA-free silicone for a secure, non-slip grip. Before you buy, make sure it's the right fit for your sink. It's designed for sinks up to 21 inches wide. Simply extend it to fit snugly over your sink before use. What we like. This rack features an innovative expandable design, allowing you to adjust its length to fit various sink sizes. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it offers superior strength and durability. If you have a non-standard sink size or need a highly adaptable drying rack that utilizes over-sink space efficiently, this expandable model is the perfect solution. What people say. The drying rack is very sturdy and holds a lot of dishes. It folds flat for easy storage. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on the counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.